Hello, everyone. In today's episode, we will discuss how the West Side of Los Angeles has become a big tech powerhouse. We cannot imagine our life without the technological marvels that have emerged during the past few decades. West Los Angeles has been at the forefront of this change. Some of the world's most innovative and lucrative technological companies call Silicon Beach, a rapidly expanding global innovation hub, home. Given the region's pleasant atmosphere, stable economy, and innovative culture, it comes as no surprise that many of the world's most prestigious technology companies are relocating there. Numerous new businesses are relocating to West Los Angeles, joining Google, Facebook, and Snapchat, which have already built headquarters there. Moreover, not only the tech industry is thriving in this metropolis. Due to the region's flourishing arts and entertainment industry, West Los Angeles is a veritable melting pot of inventiveness. The unique cooperative culture of West Los Angeles is one of the region's most distinguishing characteristics as a tech cluster. This area has become a fruitful environment for the development of cutting-edge products due to the strong culture of collaboration among local IT companies. West Los Angeles has a lengthy history of cultural and technological development, which is ongoing. This region has been at the forefront of technological advancements for decades, and this trend persists today. This region is renowned for a variety of technological breakthroughs, such as the invention of the internet and the computer mouse. The concentration of so many technology workers is another factor in West Los Angeles's ascent to prominence as a technical center. The expansion of tech-related events and meetups makes it easy to find people with similar interests. This has significantly contributed to the area's reputation as a creative hub by fostering education and personal development. How much will West Los Angeles prosper in the foreseeable future? It is obvious that the IT industry will expand, which means that the region will continue to be a source of new ideas. It's easy to see why so many people have chosen to make West Los Angeles their home, given the region's robust economy, booming tech culture, and inviting community spirit. Currently, this video contains no additional content. Consequently, we hope you enjoyed our debate on the emergence of West Los Angeles as a tech hub. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you work in IT, and stay tuned for more incredible videos in the future. Thank you to all of you who have followed along.